the hardest. WISN 12 meteorologist Chris Cloninger was there during the height of the blizzard. He returned today to find the community digging out from 14 inches of snow.
Some of the sidewalks are in good shape, but you hit a drift like this, you can climb up and over it. And I'm actually up about 2 feet.
Nearly 24 hours of heavy snow and high winds will lead to sights like this. For some folks, an inconvenience, but not for everyone.
Hi, everybody out there. We love the snow.
Leroy Warwe recalls the last blizzard in 2011.
We got that major storm, so yeah, it was even higher than this.
But this storm piled snow up to his shoulders.
Can't go any further out this way. I mean, we're already piled out there. So we get there, I mean, where else are you going to put it?
We can use some help.
Yes, the universal question in southeast Wisconsin from car salesman Sal Kindred.
The biggest problem is where we're going to put it.
12 News asked the Kenosha Department of Public Works that question. They told us, pile it higher. For most of us, it's brushing off a car or two and cleaning the driveway. For Kindred, it's clearing off 70 cars and scraping his lot. It's a lot of work.
With 4 guys and with probably towards the end of the day, our plow will be ready. So I would say 2 days.
Even though skies were blue, Mother Nature won't be lending a helping hand as temperatures stay below freezing. In Kenosha, Chris Cloninger, WISN 12 News.